Welcome back to the kitchen. Well, it's winter time and I'm sure most of you are getting lazy cooking stuff in the kitchen. But don't you worry, we have a very easy recipe to discuss today. For today we're making a chocolate fudge recipe which requires only 3 ingredients. Dark chocolate, condensed milk, and a bit of vanilla. But for this one, I decided to make it more sugary and more interesting by adding marshmallows and some chopped nuts. Okay, let's get started. So, all you need to do is just put all the chocolate in this bowl and a can of sweetened condensed milk. Why dark chocolate? Because it provides more flavor. If you can get some unsweetened chocolate, that's also good. Milk chocolate tends to taste a bit sour at the end, so I would say just stick to the dark chocolate. Okay? So we have the 2 ingredients in the bowl, and now I'm going to put it in a pot of boiling water just to melt it slowly. Right, let's go. Put it on top. The reason why we're using this method is because we want the chocolate to melt slowly. You don't want a dry end product. So just carry on mixing until all the chocolate has melted with the sweetened condensed milk. Right, and now that our chocolate has fully melted, let's take it back here. There you go. So you have to move quickly. The reason why we're doing the vanilla as a 3rd ingredient is because we don't want the flavors of the vanilla flavors to evaporate. So we're putting it last. There you go. That's quite enough. Give it a bit of a mix. And some marshmallows. And some nuts. You can do whatever you like. You can also put raisins if you want, anything, or just have it as plain chocolate fudge. It works. And then if you notice on my table, I have prepared a square pan, a 9 by 9 inch square pan, and we're going to pour this over and cool it for up to 8 hours. Or if you're in a rush, you can put it in the fridge. And then slowly pour it. And press it on all sides. You can cool it for up to 8 hours. Or if you're in a rush, you can cool it in the fridge for about an hour. You can serve it on a plate like this if you have some friends coming over for a winter party, or you can put it in an airtight jar and store it for up to 2 to 3 weeks. It should last long because there's so much sweet tea goodness going on in here. So enjoy.